What's going on, guys? I wanted to do a quick video here on the Our-Place Mini Always Pan 2.0. They call this the Always Pan because it's supposed to just do everything, so you can cook pretty much anything you want in this. And this is the mini version, so it's only an 8.5-inch pan. As you can see, I have the blue color. There's about, I think, 6 different color options available, and they all sort of have this matte finish, which I really, really like. Now, all of this is going to come together, so you do get a nice metal lid here. So this is going to be metal, and this is aluminum and ceramic, so you can put this in the oven, so I definitely like that. Cooking things in the oven, a lot of these pans you can't put in the oven, but just don't put the included spatula in the oven because this is just made of wood. But it's nice that you get that, and there's a place for it always, so if you are cooking, you don't have to put this and dirty up your kitchen. You just put it right here while you're cooking. So I definitely like that. And then this closes up, and then you have everything. And then when you're done, you can just go ahead and just put it back, and it's all together here. Now, I did say that we do have ceramic here. So this is a nice ceramic coating, and Our-Place actually uses a non-toxic ceramic, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. This is going to be non-stick, and as you can see, for a pan, it's actually pretty deep as well. So if you did want to do some baking or something like that in here, you can definitely do that. Aluminum design with the ceramic finish here. And again, it does have a little handle here as well, so if you needed to pick it up or something like that, you can easily go ahead and do that, especially if you know you are pulling it out of the oven. But I'm really excited to use this. I like this smaller size. I live by myself, so I don't need the larger pans, and I cook a lot of eggs. I think I'm gonna cook some eggs in here, as well as some other stuff I'm probably gonna cook in here as well. So really excited to, use this, and I really like that everything comes together. So I can just put it all like this. I can put it in the oven, and I have the awesome blue color.